Before you buy a bread maker, there's one thing every product page avoids mentioning, and it's the reason most people end up returning theirs. You see, it's not about how many settings it has or how shiny it looks. The real issue is whether it actually makes bread that tastes good, without turning your kitchen into a science lab. Let's fix that.
Product number 1. Cuisinart CBK 110 NAS. First up is the Cuisinart CBK 110 NAS, a sleek stainless steel machine that looks like it belongs in a professional kitchen. At around $150, it sits at the higher end of the mid-range market. And what caught my eye was its 12 menu options and compact vertical design. If you want a reliable, no-fuss bread maker that handles everything from basic white to cake without taking up counter space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those 12 programs include settings for whole wheat, French, gluten-free, and even jam, so you're not limited to just bread. The 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors mean you can tailor each bake to your family's taste. Plus, the LCD screen shows exactly where you are in the cycle, and the 60-minute keep warm function means your bread won't go cold if you get distracted. Now, some people complained about the non-stick pan wearing out after a year or so. Here's the thing though, that's common with most non-stick surfaces under high heat, and Cuisinart does sell replacement pans. It's not ideal, but it's fixable. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted brand with solid build quality and don't mind spending a bit more for durability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only bake occasionally. It's overkill for once-a-week use. For the price, it's a strong value if you bake regularly. Product number 2. Ocipoto 17-in-1 Bread Maker. Now, if Cuisinart's price felt steep, the Ocipoto might be your sweet spot. At just over $126, it packs 17 programs, more than almost any other machine in this range, and runs quietly at only 50 decibels, so you won't wake the house. If you're a beginner who wants maximum flexibility without the learning curve, this one's a standout. The 17 programs cover everything from basic bread to yogurt and jam, and the 2-pound capacity means you can feed a family or freeze half for later. The 600-watt motor ensures even heat distribution, so your crust comes out golden and the inside stays fluffy. No burnt bottoms or doughy centers. And with a 15-hour delay timer, you can set it before bed and wake up to fresh bread. But here's the catch. Some users reported the overheat protection kicks in too easily during long bakes, pausing the cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. That's frustrating if you're in a rush. Still, for home use, it's a minor hiccup, especially since it protects the motor from burning out. This is perfect for you if you want tons of recipe options and quiet operation. Great for apartments or early risers. Skip this one if you need consistent, uninterrupted baking for large gatherings. For under $130, it's an excellent deal. Product number 3. Elite Gourmet Black. All right, that Ocipoto was feature-rich. But what if you want simplicity and affordability? Enter the Elite Gourmet in black. At $88, it's one of the most budget-friendly models with serious functionality. Don't let the price fool you. It bakes up to 2-pound loaves, has 19 one-touch programs, and includes a 15-hour delay timer. If you want foolproof bread without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. The 19 programs include gluten-free, rye, French, pizza dough, and even cake, so you're not stuck with just sandwich bread. The compact design saves space, and since it uses less energy than heating your whole oven, it's ideal for small kitchens or hot summers. But here's the downside. The aluminum body feels a bit flimsy compared to stainless steel models, and a few users mentioned the exterior gets warm during long cycles. It's not unsafe, but it's something to keep in mind if you have curious kids or pets. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're new to bread making or on a tight budget. Skip this one if you want a premium feel or plan to use it daily for years. For under $90, it's a steal.
Product number 4. Amazon Basics Bread Maker. Now, if you liked the Elite Gourmet but want something even simpler, the Amazon Basics model is its direct competitor. Same $88 price, but with a cleaner design and express bake mode. That means you can have bread ready in under 90 minutes, which is perfect when you forgot to plan ahead. If you want fast, reliable bread with minimal effort, this one's a quiet hero. It has 14 settings, including gluten-free, dough, and jam, and 3 crust options, so you're covered for most recipes. The 550-watt motor is efficient, and the nonstick pan makes cleanup a breeze. But here's the thing. It lacks some of the finer controls of pricier models, like a viewing window, so you can't peek at your dough rising. And while it's sturdy, it doesn't feel as premium as Cuisinart or Osapoto. Still, for the price, it's incredibly consistent. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense machine from a trusted retailer. Skip this one if you're a baking enthusiast who wants full control. For under $90, it's a smart, practical choice.
Product number 5, Elite Gourmet Mint. Essentially the same as the black model, just with a fun color twist. At $88, it's identical in specs. 19 programs, 2-pound capacity, delay timer, and compact design. If you want all the functionality of the black version, but with a pop of personality, this one's for you. It's great for small kitchens, renters, or anyone who likes a little style with their function. The performance is the same, reliable, beginner-friendly, and energy efficient. But again, the build feels a bit light, and there's no viewing window. Some users also wish the beeps were louder since they can be easy to miss in a noisy kitchen. Still, it's a solid machine for the price. This is perfect for you if you want affordability with a touch of color. Skip this one if you prioritize durability or advanced features. For under $90, it's a fun, functional option. So, which one should you pick? If you want premium build and don't mind spending more, go with Cuisinart. For the most features under $130, Osapoto wins. On a budget, either Elite Gourmet model or Amazon Basics will serve you well. Just pick the color and brand you like best. Remember, the best bread maker isn't the one with the most settings. It's the one you'll actually use. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!